Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really gorgeous tulle Halloween wreath. I'm not the biggest fan of tulle, but I had a customer request a tulle wreath, so I did my best to deliver for her, and I filmed it while I made it. So you guys can make one too if you want. So if you want to see how I made this wreath, then keep watching. So for this project, you're going to need a pair of scissors. No rotary cutters or pipe cleaners required for this time. I have this Beware sign. This came from Joann Fabrics. This was $14.99, but I got it 70% off, so I paid $4.49 for it. You will need 4 rolls of tulle from the Dollar Tree. I also have 1 roll of tulle from Joann Fabrics. This was $5.99 with 70% off, which is all weekend this weekend. I have a tube of these little Halloween ornaments from Dollar Tree. Oops. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Oh god. Okay, there we go. So I have these 2 different ribbons from Joann Fabrics. Again, $4.99 with 70% off. I have a 14-inch wire frame here, which you can see I already got started on. And then you will need something to measure your tulle. I'm just using one of my old mini albums here because it has a nice indent here where I can shove my scissors in. So, yeah, that's about it. Let's get started making this project. Oh, and you'll need a hot glue gun too, obviously, for the sign and everything. So let's get this started. So the first thing we're going to want to get done is to cut our tulle up. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to take this and the end where I don't have an opening, see there's an opening here. You can just use a piece of cardboard and fold it in half for this. So I'm going to start where there is not an opening on this side. I'm just going to bunch my tulle up and I'm going to hold it here with my thumb. And I'm just going to wrap the tulle around this. Until there is no more tulle. So I ended up with some up here. What I'm going to do is cut that off and toss it. So it's all wrapped around here. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go right in my indent here and just cut all that tulle, and now we have all even cut pieces of tulle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with all of the tulle that I have on the table here. I think I told you 3, but you need 4 of these. And one of these, there's more in this. Yeah, there's way more in this one than there is in this one. There's only 3 yards in this, and there's 10 yards in this. So if you're not going to go to Joann Fabrics and get this, you're going to need a lot of these, like 10 maybe. So yeah, let me get all this cut up and we'll come back. Alright, I have everything cut and I don't know if you can see it, but my work area is literally saturated with glitter. So when you are done making this, you're definitely going to want to treat this with some sort of Rust-Oleum or something like that, so it'll stick the glitter onto it. So we're going to alternate these just so we have a little bit of this orange from Dollar Tree on every one. This is a different texture. As you can see, it kind of looks like a cobweb. So let me go on the other end of where I've started. So we're going to work on this center ring here because all the tulle is going to cover your other rings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, find the center, fold it in half. So now it's in half. So you can see that center right there that you can see through. I'm going to come onto this wreath form, and I really hope you can see me. I have a mess going on here. Let me come a little bit closer. So back this. Oopsie, back that off. All right. So I'm going to come over here. The end that's folded is up here. The end that's open is down here. I'm going to put the open end under. I'm going to find the fold and the opening in the fold, so there's my finger. And I'm gonna take my fingers, grab the end, and pull. So that's what we have there. So I'll do another one of those for you. Take it, fold it, find the center, put it underneath the wire, fingers through the top, there's my fingers, pull. And there you go. It's literally as simple as that. No pipe cleaners required. So now I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to do the same thing. It's definitely a lot thicker. I've already done 4 on this one, so I'm going to do the same thing. And you're going to want to definitely vacuum after doing this. This one is harder to pull through. There we go. All right, so Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree. You can see that this one is more of a true pumpkin-y color that matches this sign, while this is more of a whimsical orange. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna start filling this wreath form up, and I will let you know how many for each section when I come back. I'm halfway through and I just want to show you how bad this glitter fallout is. So don't make this project somewhere that you care about. Look at my hand. It's literally like, look. So bad, guys. So yeah. Don't make this somewhere you care about, like in your living room. Okay, this is completely full, and as you can see, it looks like a glitter party over here. So I still do have quite a few bits left of this orange and the other orange from Joann Fabrics. I used 4 of each color in each section. I don't know why that was so hard to say. So I hung it up and it looks really good, but I don't want to waste this tulle. So all I'm going to do is push all this tulle in. And I'm just going to wrap it around this outer section here. We still have 3 bars that aren't covered. So all I'm going to do is take a hot glue gun and wrap it around, and I'm just going to make a pattern just like I did with this. So dark orange, light orange, dark orange, light orange. It should take 2 per section. And I'll just hot glue it down. So it kind of like covers these a little bit. You don't really have to cover them if you don't want to. You can't see them, but like I said, I just don't want to waste this tulle because I'm not going to use it. Okay, I covered the whole back of it. So this is what it looks like now. Now we're going to put our beware sign on here. And we're also going to make a hanger for this. So I'm just going to take some basic ribbon. You can use a tinsel stem. You can use whatever you want to use for this. This is just what it is right here. A little simple ribbon. And I'm just going to take some, snip it off, turn this up, and I'm going to find where I want the top to be. And I'm just going to go around the 3 rings where we covered and just do this. Very simple. And make it long enough so it'll fit on a wreath hanger. Double knot it. Oop, there we go. Double knot it. Nothing really to miss here. There we go. And I will snip off the excess. So now you have something to hang this with. So now we're going to secure on our sign. I'm just going to take this and lay it right in the middle. So this is kind of what we're working with right now. And I'm going to secure that down with some hot glue. So I'll do that and then we'll come back and start decorating. All right, so here's what it looks like right now. This is just a sign, and I made a simple little double bow. So you can omit the bow if you want to, or you can put it on. I'm also going to add, on top of the ornaments that I showed you, I have these left over from last year. So I'm gonna put these on here. This is just a little black sparkly pumpkin. And then some of these cute bats. So this is a customer order, so I have to do what she wants me to do. And she did want those bats and some pumpkins on there, so yeah. Let me get everything glued on here. I always say that the embellishments are personal preference, so you do what you want to do as far as embellishments. This is cute just the way that it is right now. You can add a lot of embellishments, you can add none, you can add lights. So really it's all up to you. So let me embellish this and then I'll show you the final product. All right, so here is the finished product. I kind of just ran with this one. I put all the balls on it and all the pumpkins, and it just looked too plain for me. It needed something else. So I just added on these little felt stickers from Dollar Tree. I hot glued them on. I think they're adorable. So I think she will be happy, and she's got everything that has to do with Halloween on this wreath. Nice and spooky, but still kid friendly. So I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this project, and happy Halloween!